What is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'll be showing you how to make money in 2020. So how to make money in 2020 right now is, there's a lot of ways, but during this quarantine season, like you have nothing to do at home, I suggest you try to earn money from this app called Clip Claps. If you guys are interested with this app, you want to earn some money, it's totally free, 100%. All you have to do is just sign up and start earning money, and I'll show you in a second. If you guys are interested, go click my link in the description and me and you will have a chest. So in that chest, I will give you like, there's a coins, points, and there will be a raffle. Like there's a ticket there, you can click. You have to click one and you will see whether you get money or not. I just started using this app. Right now I earn like around $1. Yeah, I just started. So I wanted to share with you guys how to earn. Obviously you can't get rich out of this, but you know, just to earn a couple bucks, I'm gonna show you. You only can do it on the phone. First you need is your phone. So you guys can check it on my screen right now. This is the app, as you guys can see on my screen. It's basically like TikTok. As you guys can see down there, there's a timer. When the timer reach the chest, you will earn a chest. So let's say you want to earn the points, so you need to watch videos. These videos sometimes really cool. It's something like TikTok, but just that you can earn money from it, like a dog video. So you guys can see on the bottom of my screen, you guys can see that I'm earning a chest right now. There, right here. Once you watch your video, you click to rewards. You guys can see that my dollar sign, it says there, you can withdraw now. When you click it, you can cash out using PayPal. But right now I only got $1, so there's no point. But there's more fun thing. As you guys can see on my top left, there's a coins, the gold coin. You guys can exchange. So you guys can see now I have 1,400 gold coins, and you can switch to $1. So just by watching a video, you can earn points you can change into $1, and you can win at the prize from a raffle. If you guys are interested with this app, click the first link, use my invite link, and me and you will have a chest. So let's say there's this one. It says here, invite friends to get $10. If you use my link, I will have $10, you will have also. So right now my balance is $7. You can withdraw once you have $10. So if you guys want to earn money together, you guys can use my link, and you guys can cash out through PayPal. So yeah, I really appreciate it if you guys use my link and sign up today. Let's all just earn money. So let's open the chest box that I earned from watching the video just now. So it says here open, right? So I earned coins, another coins. So you guys can see that I have 1,500 coins right now. With that coin, you can exchange to your dollar. Or if you have 4,000 coins, as you guys can see, Clap Coin Store. If you guys have 300 gold coins, you can redeem it with cash, which is equivalent to 3 cents. If you have 4,000 gold coins, you guys can redeem 10 silver chests, which I'm sure there's something secret inside there, and 10 gold chests with 10,000 gold coins. If you want to cash out, it's pretty simple. Put up your PayPal account, so you can put your email address and confirm. This is the raffle tickets down here. So how I earned my money the other day, I played the $1 reward raffle. So let's say this is financial plan. You guys can see my balance is 1,500 gold club coins. If I buy this alpha fund with the cost of 300, while waiting for 24 hours, I will receive 3,000. It's a good deal. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to, you know, come up with your money. So I think it's just a fun app just to play around with. When you guys first sign up with my link, I will totally appreciate it. So if you guys first sign up, use my invite code and we'll get a chest. We can earn money together. I'm looking forward to earn this special chest, which is invite friends to get $10. If you guys want to earn $10 just by doing nothing, just by using my link, what can you lose? So yeah, that's it. If you guys like this type of video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, comment down below that you sign up to my link, and I will reply your comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.